At the heart of any hydroelectric station is a massive flow of water down from the upper reservoir, spinning the turbines and generating electricity. The next stage is getting that electricity out to the grid. Project manager Steve Thomas is overseeing the overhaul of all 6 of the switchgear rooms at Dinorwig that route the power out to the national network. This is ENGIE X Engineering.
This is Buswell Gallery 6. It's one of the old original breaker galleries. It's the last of the units to be done.
A key component of the switchgear is the breakers, which allow the station to break the flow of power on demand.
This is an original breaker when the station was built, so that's around 40 years ago. And this is obviously operated all that time. In a hydroelectric plant, breakers are going in and out all the time. And it's when they go in and out is when you get the wear and when things start to go wrong. If you look up breakers failing or transformers blowing up, they are immensely dangerous. If you have a fire underground, that is horrendous, really.
Steve and his team are currently at work on Gallery 3, removing the old equipment and preparing it for the arrival of the new switchgear.
We've gone through about 5 weeks of strip down, so this was completely full of old switchgear. It's all been ripped out, all the cable's been ripped out, all the lighting's been ripped out, yeah.
When the 6th and final gallery is done, Dinorwig will have reached the end of one era and the beginning of a new one. The last of the equipment that has served so reliably over the last 40 years will be gone, and in its place will be state-of-the-art technology ready to see the station into the next 40 years of service.
I'm now a very old man. I've been in the power industry a long time, and over the next 2 or 3 years you'll have a brand new power station, which I think is incredible. I feel part of the team and part of everything that ENGIE do. It's the people, and it's a pleasure to be here.